How to fix this application was unable to start correctly error. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through if this kind of error appears on your screen, how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest video. First thing first, open up your control panel, head over to your reason. Just locate reason and open up the reason on your screen. After that, this will appear on your screen. You're just going to go ahead and click on administrative, and you're going to change the system for sale. So you're just going to go ahead and click on it. And after that, you're going to change the country from for year to. After that is done, click on OK and just close everything from your screen. Just go ahead and close everything after that is done. And the next method we can apply here is running a command. For that, directly Windows plus R, hit that, and this or something like this will appear on your screen. The run, type in CMD there. After that, this will appear on your screen. So what you're going to do is just type in the prompts that I'm showing on the screen right now. After that, press enter. Just type in, just copy it and press enter. And the next code is this one right here. I have two codes provided right here. Just go ahead and copy this code on your screen. Just follow the prompts and that should probably fix your issue. So therefore, these are the process you may follow in order to fix your error. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.